Your mother set you up against me. You sit down and set up yourself against me. Come on. Me a human. I want me. You know, see the brother help me. No sister, nobody help me alone. Allow me. Don't send no threat to my mother. And if somebody make mischief, tell me. Or not hurt me. I swear to Almighty God. I mean of a send threat. Me.
Blaze the fire, my viewers and my subscribers. What are we all Queenie and Dewey kick up on social media, guys? Threat to send and all kind of things, people. I hear so festive. Mother send threat to mother. What kind of passa? This is what Queenie and Dewey love gone to on social media. No, it get from bad to worse. We get for understand that Dewey engaged to our next chick and him get married soon. What a piece of passa. No, Queenie and Dewey on the verge forget divorce, people. A serious thing. No prank, no joke thing, guys. This is very serious. But the facts that Twitter send, it no look good, people. It no sound good, none at all. And Queenie attack, she's talking as if her mother respect Dewey and her family, but the other way around is that Dewey mother and Dewey no respect Queenie and her mother. People that are be a banger up on social media. Guys, who remember the time when Queenie did married with Dewey? Oh, it was a happy moment and it was all school social media and the love and the joy and happiness. Here coming 2024, people. Them on the verge to mash up, people. Remember, guys, Queenie get up by a house in a Jamaica. I will get for understand say Queenie get evicted, people, allegedly. Yeah. We hear say she get evicted and she lose the house in a Jamaica. We get for understand say Dewey himself want the house in a Jamaica. What a piece of passa, people. Queenie went live in the people and discuss everything at all. And let Dewey mother know say must not send a threat to her mother. Guys, it not sound good, people. This is what Dewey and Queenie love gone to, people. Remember, you know, a whole heap of thing Dewey involved in, you know. Whole heap of different woman, you know. Whole heap of different drama in the people. And I always say, you know, it's when somebody old attack somebody so young, it always be a problem. It always be a problem. Because remember these people, Queenie was the one responsible for take Dewey in England. You see me? And them the England people, them that live some happy life. And then, couple years back, it started worse. Them fight, them do what they want to do. You hear say, Dewey, that taught him more. We hear say, Dewey have up a different woman. You see me? So there was no loyalty to this people. Honestly, there was no loyalty to this. So that's why when you see this going on 2024, people, this was no surprise. This was on the verge to happen, guys. And I must say, people, you see more time in life, you see when see couple that live like this and I live good and live bad and think, people, the social media help to tear them down to the people. Honestly, the social media help to tear them down too. Because everything at all them do, them bring on social media. Certain things must be kept private. You see me? But Dewey a man, him love post, Queenie love post. So when you see the two of them live bad guys, I just a reflection of them lifestyle. This is how them live. And you know, look good, people. And when I like the fact say, yo, them a send threat to mother and all kind of things. Because Queenie say her mother 70-year-old. She say her mother in the business about Dewey. Also, Queenie said Dewey disrespect her mother and all kind of things, people. I say, yo, if you love somebody and thing, you must disrespect their mother. No matter what. You can talk to them mother particularly, but no, don't pass your boundary with them mother. Because if you love the daughter, I say you gotta deal the mother. You see me, I deal the mother with love. But if you don't love the mother, you gotta deal the. If you don't love the mother, you gotta deal the. If you don't love the mother, you gotta deal the wife like shit. You see me? So people, when we really look upon what go on social media regarding the two of them, I say to myself, say, yo, this thing for done right about now. Done right now. Queenie got divorce Dewey, that's it. And then just move out of the life, people. Because we can't say, yo, come back together. And it don't make no sense. Because Dewey fed up. Dewey basically want to move out of the life. He can't bother with Queenie and things. And likewise, Queenie can't bother with Dewey. So this doesn't get out of hand. And it not get better. It not get worse, people. You see me? Because once they say mother I get threat on them thing there. You can tell you say, yo, sitting just not look right. This has become a family WAR. It has become a all-out thing. You see me? And do if understand them shouldn't get him mother involved in this. Him shall make him mother know herself. I mean disrespect her, know herself, make him mother know say this is my wife. And she respond for camera go England. And how things that got tough between me and her and me, I stay with her. But no, do we want him mother get involved with every little thing at all? Because obviously means say you'll be so surprised, people. So when Dewey get married to the next girl and thing, you get to understand say the mother herself could have gone a foreign with Dewey and all them thing there. You get me say people? Because guess what? You see how me see some Jamaicans stay. You see when somebody they are foreign and somebody carry them over there, them feel say them obligated, the husband or the wife, them obligated to take care of the word of the recipient family. You see me? So in my opinion, I feel say Dewey mother did that get some Queenie benefits and some Queenie money. And also family members, people. I just some see, but you can say all that breakdown. So it's almost like the Queen Dewey mother decides say, yo, enough is enough. You see me? Remember the people, Queenie disrespect Dewey, you know. But Dewey disrespect Queenie also. But regarding the cheating thing and the unfaithfulness, Dewey is the main one regarding that. I mean, I said Queenie not talk to the man, otherwise I'm doing the people. But Dewey do it brawling in a mega daylight. So me I say, guys, the thing look a weird, the thing set a weird right now for the two of them, and this now go end well. This I just go down the drain, people. This I go down the drain. The two of them marriage just go on, vanish away. See me? Because social media marriage sometimes are some joke marriage. No loyalty in this so. Can remember in the people, Queenie have it, Dewey have it. Queenie make herself profitable. Queenie work and do her thing and take care of herself and tour and come to Jamaica regular. While Dewey now the one shit more on social media and say about the music and all kind of things. So Queenie the one to really push out the effort. Queenie the one to really bring in the income to the family. You see me? While Dewey sit down and relax and give Queenie bun. But as me say, this have to do with when you deal with somebody who is younger than you. See me? So the woman them have to be careful, the man have to be careful also. Me they say it can't work, you know. But when you deal with that woman who is young, older than you, yo, in a most cases, always cause problem. Always cause problem. You see me? And if you not be careful, do it, you get yourself in a problem because guess something? The woman do a lot for you, yo. Even though you're not fight and cuss more time, she do enough things for you if you be thankful for. You see me? She do enough things for you where you can make your mother know say, yo, mommy, you know, I love my wife and despite any little situation and thing, I know I get involved, I know I send a threat to her mother and kind of things. You see me? But no, do we become very, very loose? Don't forget what the woman do for you. Even at time wicked, even at time like this where the two are cuss out on each other and that's on the rear spine. Don't forget what she do for you. And when I give her a bone and I do this and do that, don't forget what Queenie do for you. Remember, a Queenie put up on the map. A Queenie make we know about you. You see me? You was not relevant. Enough people never know about you. And guess what I know? Despite the situation regarding you and Queenie, you could have calmed it down. Yeah, man. Also, Queenie, you could have calmed it down too. The two wrongs don't make right. You see me? So Queenie could have calmed it down, Dewey could have calmed it down and make sure say, yo, the things that are weird, yo, now get your mother involved in this. Remember a long time you say your mother get involved in a relationship, you know. You see me? No joke thing about that. You're mama's boy. You're a real mama's boy. Sometimes as man, if you make your mother understand herself, man, because guess what? The mother care about, you know, just phone interest, you know. She don't care about the woman interest, you know. She care about phone interest as son. She a pick side. And the facts when I send straight to the people, them, it just tell me, say, yo, only just have some dirty heart towards people, do you, your mother. You see me? And Queenie, go and do your thing same way, you know. Do your thing same way and go and build yourself and go and fight. You have a dirty way same way because you do it thing. You fight him off and do all kind of things. But, me now forgot when you take him to England and it was a happy moment and what you do for him until him start go around all kind of people corrupt in mind against you. And him use, should I say, him mother against you. That not right. Your mother should not get involved. You're a big man. Your mother shouldn't get involved and do all kind of things regarding your wife, my youth. You're a big man if you have sense. See me? If you're your mother there, are your mother there. If you're your wife there, you're your wife there. Stop making a fool of yourself. Stop making your mother take advantage of your life, brother. One of them man. You can't be a man. You can't stand up firm by your foot. You see me? You can't they know say yo, me got a bill. And I make sure my mother no get involved with me and my wife. Why you can't do that? Everything regarding no sir people. Do we can do better, man. Do we can do better. Queen no deserve this. Even though she have a dirty, ignorant attitude and thing, she not deserve this, people. Cause she do a lot for Dewey. Remember, I'm tell the people, she do a lot for Dewey. She help out Dewey a lot, but guess what? Dewey no want better for himself. Yeah, man, you can see it, him no want better himself. And enough time Dewey disrespect Queenie, and Queenie take him back, guys. When you see her know, she take him back. And what Dewey do? Turn around and do the same thing over and over and over again. That means him no want Queenie. Him just want make Queenie bad. Him just want disrespect the woman. So, you see me? Look how Queenie buy a house at Jamaica. Where him buy for himself? Most man live in a Queenie shadow. Most of what Queenie do after him and her. See me? If she had come to Jamaica, if she had tour him and her, she be a song with him. Just for show the love. See me? So if you want to move on and think, do it respectfully, man. Don't do it on this social media upon this thing, yo. It look good. See me? It look good, people. And I mean, I know. You have to control the differences on social media, because you have to know what I do. Because any idea still, people that watch, and people can look and say, well, that means say, me not want married, because if me get married and thing, I see him thing too. Enough people don't want married, no. Enough people don't want married because people don't like marriage sometimes, because marriage always commit some issues more time, you see me? So guys, bless upon yourself, yeah, man. Make watch and see how this all unfold. But right now, people, it took serious, it took sticky, and it now get better. It will get worse, people. Remember, I'm telling you, guys. So like and share and leave in the thought right below, people. What are we all Queenie and Dewey buck up? Best up.